Hey everyone! Today I'm incredibly excited to show you something that will change how you understand AI. We are going to explore a groundbreaking 3D visualization that reveals exactly how language models like ChatGPT work under the hood. Most explanations of AI use confusing diagrams or complex math. But this interactive visualization, created by Brendan Bycroft, lets you actually see and explore every part of a language model in beautiful 3D graphics. The visualization breaks down the entire process into clear steps. You can see everything from how words become numbers, to how the model processes information, right up to how it generates responses. Let's start with the embedding layer. Watch how plain text gets transformed into these colorful vectors. Each word becomes a unique pattern of numbers that the model can understand. The attention mechanism is where things get really interesting. See these connections forming? This is how the model figures out which words are related to each other. It's like watching the model's thought process in real time. One of the coolest features is comparing different models. Here's GPT-2 small, and now look at GPT-2 XL. Notice how much more complex the patterns become. And when we look at GPT-3, the scale is mind-blowing. Every component is interactive. You can explore layer normalization, self-attention mechanisms, projection layers, the MLP network, and the final softmax output. The best part? This isn't just for AI experts. Whether you are a student, developer, or just curious about AI, everything is explained in clear, simple terms. And it's completely free for everyone to use. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Drop a comment telling me which part of the visualization surprised you the most. The link to the visualization is in the description below. I highly recommend checking it out to follow along with everything we covered today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.